Hello everyone and welcome back to another DIY Decoded video. In today's video we're going to look at what Parkside Tools are on sale at Lidl's nationwide this week from Sunday the 2nd of March. We've not had a Parkside drop for a couple of weeks now, so great to have another one hitting the shelves. Let's jump into it, see what's available before heading to the store and seeing what I can get my hands on. Right, so first up we've got this compound miter saw. If you've got the Lidl Plus app, which is free to download, I think most people have this now. It's $69.99 normally, $64.99 with the Lidl Plus. Yeah, compound miter saws are really good. I've got one of them, really handy for making cuts. If you're doing sort of coving, skirting boards, just general woodwork really, always really good to have these. And this is a good one. So £65 seems like a decent price. They have a laser as well, so you can see, like a laser guide, so you can see what you're doing there. Next up we've got the Parkside heat gun. So this one is corded. A few weeks ago they did the cordless one, which was slightly more expensive, but again on the Lidl Plus this week, £9.99. So yeah, real bargain if you're looking to do any electrical stuff, strip paint, yeah, loads of things you can do with this really. So yeah, really useful to have in your toolbox for a tenner. We've got the Parkside cross laser level. This actually comes with a tripod as well, which is really cool. So you can set it to different heights. It'll auto adjust, self leveling obviously. Yeah, and it does sort of vertical, horizontal, or both. If you're hanging pictures, doing anything really, you can see this picture up here. It's really handy to have. $24.99 for that one. We've got the Parkside clamp multimeter. So there's a few electrical items this week. To this one here, you can actually measure the current, AC current through a wire, just by putting this clamp around it. So it just works on the magnetic field. So really quite handy. You can see it there. You don't need to take anything apart. You literally just clamp it around and you can see it. So $12.99 for that, and it's got a couple of probes so you can do other bits as well. We've got the multimeter pen, clamp pen. So again, similar, but you can do slightly different things. You've got a fine point here that you can obviously put into areas to measure the current and voltage. We've got a 3-in-1 gas soldering iron for $14.99. So yeah, if you do some soldering, you want gas powered, not mains powered, then this could be for you. We've got wire strippers. I've actually got a set of these. They're in green now. They used to be in red, but yeah, really good for all sorts of different gauges. If you're stripping sort of twin and earth, or if you're stripping quite small wires, there's lots of different slots here, so you can do it. Yeah, for £3.99. Another good thing in the toolbox. Parkside crimping tool set. So this actually comes as a whole set. You can see here you get a couple of hundred ferrules to go with it for different size terminals. Yeah, you can see on the picture here. You cut the wire, strip it back, slide it on, and then you just use this here to crimp it on. Gives a really good tight connection. And it makes it much easier to sort of tighten it down in the terminals. So that's good. We've got a 37-piece screwdriver set for $7.99. I think these are a bargain just to have around. Even if you've got one in the garage, always good to have another one in the house or something just for quick access. Comes in a little carry case as well. It's even got some of the smaller screwdrivers for small little jobs taken apart, smaller items, and all the bits as well, and obviously a bit holder. And here you've got, Phillips, posi drives, flathead screwdrivers. It's a real good set there, 37-piece. Here we've got an electrical set, 8-piece screwdriver set for $4.99. This one here is a voltage tester. I think it would test from sort of 125 volts upwards. So great for around the house. VDE, so these are insulated as well. VDE, sort of the German standards for this really. So for $4.99 for that set, if you do any sort of electrical work, just the fact they're insulated is worth its weight in gold really. Parkside combination spanner set. So yeah, one side's just a normal one and the other one has got the ratchet. I think 5 of them here, standard sort of sizes for M6, M8s, M10s, M12s, that sort of sizes. 5-piece set for $7.99. We've got the metal shelvings, $32.99 each, or 2 for £60. At the start of the year, these were actually £40 each, and I bought one of them at £40. It's a good quality shelf actually, but yeah, 2 for £60 is a real bargain. I suspect Parkside have got plenty of stock, so they're trying to ship some of them out. But yeah, easy to build, strong shelves, 5 levels. Yeah, really does sort of tidy up a workshop, shed or garage. We've got some lighting here, LED lighting with sensors, good for spaces that are remote. These are battery powered, so yeah, you know, under stairs cupboards, kitchen cupboards, under, you know, units or things like that where you haven't got any mains power. These are ideal really for lighting up those areas. Extension lead, this one here is a sort of 3 gang, and then we've got here, what's that, a 5 or 6 gang, 6 gang there with a switch. Yeah, $5.99 this week. Electrical tape, pack of 6, again always handy to have, especially sort of the earth ones if you're, you know, terminating anything, just temporarily working on anything, good just to cover up the ends, to insulate them. We got 3M duct tape in grey and black, £2.49. We've got some work ovals here, work overalls in black, and they also come in olive. I'm not sure what sizes they come in, but yeah, I got a pair of these in the past. Not from Parkside actually, from another brand, but they are good to have. Plenty of pockets and things to just store things if you're working away. We've got t-shirts, 2-pack in black. We got this patterned colour, white, olive, and then we've got boxer pants, 3 packs, 2 different styles. I think the only difference I can see is the logo seems to have moved. And then we've got socks, some work socks. So you can never have too many socks, eh? Hey lads, so there we go. So not as big as some weeks here, but some good stuff nonetheless. I'm going to run over to my local Lidl and see what I can pick up. Before I do that, if you are enjoying the content, please do make sure you like and subscribe. It really helps the channel. I'm trying to get to 2,000 subscribers. At 2,000 I'm going to do a giveaway. So yeah, thanks everyone for the support, and let's see you at Lidl. Right, so here I am at my local Lidl. It's Sunday the 2nd of March. It's a lovely bright sunny day. Store's about to open, so let's go inside and see what we've got in the middle of Lidl today. Right, so here we are, and first up we've got the shelving units. These are £32.99 or 2 for £60, so really good for organising all your stuff in garages and sheds and things like that. Next up we've got the crimping tool set, £12.99, comes with the crimper and all the bits. Yeah, it's a big set there. What's that, 1,800 pieces you get there, so that will keep you going for a little while. Then we've got the screwdriver set, the electrical screwdriver set, £4.99 for the 8-piece set there. 1000 volt protection as well, so yeah, comes in a nice little set, that one. Next up we've got the compound miter saw, so normally £69.99, £64.99 with the Lidl Plus, so worth getting to save yourself a £5. Here's some of the specs on it. 1500 watts, good for wood and plastic. We've got the laser level next, and this includes a tripod, £24.99. Yeah, really handy if you're ever hanging anything or you need to get anything absolutely level. Makes working on your own much easier as well. So yeah, £24.99 for that one. Next we've got the 3-in-1 gas soldering iron for £14.99. So anyone who does some light soldering work, this is a good bit of kit. Gas, not mains. Yeah, and it comes with a few other bits. We've got the crowbar and pry bar sets, £12.99. These actually weren't shown on the website, but they were in the brochure. But this one here, the pry bar set of 4. Nice handles on that. I'll be grabbing a set of those, and you get the big ones as well. Spindle and belt sander, £69.99. It's a decent saving on that. So yeah, if you're looking for heavy duty sanding, that could be for you. Over here we've got, it says pipe cutting, but this is for expanding pipe holes, so flaring the pipes. What have we got here? Sanding sheets, £2.49. These obviously go with the belt sander I showed before, but you get a 6-pack there. So if you need to do sanding, that's the place to go. Electrical tape for £1.99, pack of 6 in different colours, and the wire strippers for £3.99. So here's the electrical tape: black, red, green, white, yellow, and sort of green and yellow. And there's the wire strippers as well. Handy little set, that, 0.5 mm to 6 mm squared. We've got multi-purpose detectors and moisture detectors. So this one here is for sort of detecting studs, metal, cables, things like that. And then we've got a moisture detector as well for measuring the moisture in sort of walls and things like that. Extension leads, £5.99. There's two different types. I explained earlier, I think one's a 3-gang, one's a 6-gang. That one's got a switch, but yeah, same price for those. We've got the LED light sensors. These are £4.99. So yeah, there's a few different shapes and sizes of those ones. But you can see that LED moisture light. This is a big one actually, for £11.99. That one. Neutral white light colour. But yeah, quite energy efficient, those sort of things. We've got the heat gun, £9.99 with the Lidl Plus, or £11.99 to save yourself £2. Corded version, yeah, 2000 watts. Get plenty done with that. £12.99 for the multimeter clamps and pens. So this one is the clamp. There's also a pen that comes with it. So if you're doing any home electrical work and want to measure voltages, currents, things like that, this could be for you. Yeah, plenty of info on the box. Combination spanner set, £7.99. So it's a 5-piece set. Comes in this little plastic container case. Yeah, quite handy. 6, 10, 13, 14 and 17 millimeters on that one. The 37-piece screwdriver set for £7.99. Excuse me while I just fumble the camera there, but you can see there's quite a few bits in there. All your little Torx bits, all your little bits you can interchange, and some precision stuff as well. Duct tape, £2.49. There's a grey one and there's a black one, 3M, so you know it's going to be good quality stuff. Over here we've got the men's work overalls for £12.99. They had a few sizes of these that I checked, and they got t-shirts as well. The t-shirts go up to XXL. From medium to XXL is what I could find there. Right, so I'm back from Lidl. This is what I picked up this week. As I said, there were some bits actually that weren't in the on the website in stock today, but they were in the brochure, and there are a couple of the bits I picked up. So first we've got the crowbar set. This comes in two different sizes, ideal for lifting up floorboards, demolition work, sort of heavy lifting stuff really. So they're there, £12.99 they were. We've got the pry bar set, comes in a set of four different sizes, nice rubber handles, and obviously a bit on the end where you can whack it with a hammer. Again, £12.99 for that one. We've got a moisture meter. I've actually got some damp walls in the house, so I want to try and measure what the moisture is for them, what percentage moisture we've got there. So I picked that up for £9.99, comes with the batteries. Under our downstairs cupboard, the wife always tells me off that it's too dark, can't really see much. There's no mains power in there, so I picked up one of these for £4.99. Socks, well, you can never have enough work socks, can you? These are size 9 to 11.5, but they did go up to 14.5 as well. And then I also picked up the 1000-volt screwdriver set as well. 8 pieces, you can see down there the sizes. So they'll come in handy for any electrical work. So that's it for Sunday the 2nd of March. This week though, Lidl are launching their massive garden display sets. So there's loads and loads of garden stuff coming out this week. So on Thursday I'll be heading over to get some of that stuff. I'll be getting that on the channel on Thursday as well. So if you're enjoying the content, please do like and subscribe. Any sort of Parkside releases, I'll make sure I'm first there. So you can all see what's going on. Cheers guys, have a great week.